Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a cool video as a lock screen on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 and it's the same also for the other Samsung Galaxy phones. And if you want to set a cool video as a lock screen on your phone, you can do it. For that, just go to the home screen and do a little pinch and here tap on Wallpaper and Style. Tap on Change Wallpapers, scroll down and tap on Get More Wallpapers. You need to have a Samsung account installed on your phone to open the Galaxy tabs. And here we have a lot of wallpapers. I will tap on top. Some wallpapers are paid, others are free. I will look for a free one. And let's see first how it looks. And this is the preview. And now just tap download. Wait, now tap apply. And here tap done. And changes apply to lock screen. And now I will lock the screen. This is the always on display. And this is the lock screen. And look what nice it is. Okay. Now, if you want to change it with another one, just go back again to the Galaxy tabs and look for your favorite one. I will look, for example, for this one. It's another video and it's for free. And here is the preview. Now tap download and tap again apply. This is how it looks. Tap done and changes are applied to the lock screen. And now I will exit. And this is how it looks now, my lock screen. So it is very nice. Please let me in the comment area what is your opinion about this feature and how it's working for you. I hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.